Welcome back to another video. Let's go. Gate 4. Someone's going to London. Buckle up your seatbelts, guys. We're going to go to Los Angeles. Yeah, we're going to Los Angeles, guys. That's the Naima Airways. Oh, why the fuck are you here, little shit? Ben, the little shit, has joined. Dumbass. Ben, little shit. What's that whining noise? American 11, please sell your sweet corn. Oh. Alrighty then. Right. First off, I want you to stow your stow table or whatever the hell your name is. Then...
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Excuse me, dude. Gotta do that. Close. What do you think, dumbass? You've done too much. Too much damage. That's too much. You didn't have to cut me off. Hurry the hell up then. Welcome to Air Canada. Let's go and fly. Oh, well, there's one going. And then the thing just disappeared. Okay, buddy, sure, whatever, I don't care. Just shut up. Okay, buddy. Right. Cabin crew.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
I am. I'm about to take off, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. We're really off the air. We're really off the ground. And we're off the ground. Ow. Ding dong, read it up, read it well, make that up. Ding dong, oh, what the fuck will come to it on? Give it to you one, you want to have one, sir? Ding dong, ding dong.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly.
Want
Sit
water?
back,
Okay,
relax,
here's water.
and enjoy the flight.
What do you want? Sprite? Okay, I'll give you Sprite. Do you want anything else to eat? Oh, you want a bagel? Okay, I'll give you a bagel. Why am I speaking Italian? I do not know. Eat me the chips. There you go, butter.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck.
Always
It
turbulence.
looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
It's always the turbulence. Right then. Now next. What the hell do you want? Eat the chips, okay. Buddy! Water? The water. Okay, here you go. Anything else to drink? You want a Sprite? Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. He wants the littles. So I'm gonna give you the littles. Let me get the littles, fam. Thank you very much, brother. No problem, brother. Yes, you might have the Pepsi, brother. Here you go, brother. Oh, you're rude. You're very rude. How dare you? Oh, certainly, sir. And unlike this dickhead, you actually are nice. And you want... Okay, bet. No problem, sir. To you. Water. Your peanuts. Bread rolls 8. Would you like to drink? Okay, 3. Here we go. Shut up, Ben. I'm trying to do something. Be quiet. I don't care anymore. Just shut up. Oh my god, you're actually so lucky I've not even unfriended you yet. I was that close to you. I don't care if you babe. Just leave me alone. I just don't care what you do. I ain't your bro. Exactly, shut up. Thank you.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon.
Oh, here we go.
Thanks
This
for flying
bullshit
with us. We hope
again.
to see
Watch.
you again soon.
He's gonna try and threaten me, which ain't even gonna work. He ain't scary. Watch. Watch what's gonna happen. He's like, fine. Just shut your mouth. Buddy, just shut your mouth. Oh, God, we got to drop shout. Maybe he would have. Maybe he would have if it didn't cause the world to end. Fine. Can't even say his name because of Roblox. Wait, we're getting trash. Which trash are we getting? Oh, this guy's.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Please get there. Right. I ain't a boomer. Shut the fuck up. Dude. I love how someone's making a YouTube video on my fucking plane. That's just cool. Hey, that wasn't too hard. Hey, blowing out a candle. Hey, that's not too hard. Right, but we'll be landing in Los Angeles shortly. Do you like this guy? What? Who? Who? He's not even here. Oh, this might be it. Oh, can we butter the landing? Can we bottle the... Okay, that was not butter. That was a bit rough. That was a very... That was a very, very rough landing. Let's continue. It's called Obama. Palmer. Obama. Ow, my bloody head. There's a little bitch just took my spot. Oh, another plane's taking off. Goodbye, British Airways. Cole Palmer. Palmer. Obama. This has to be my spot, right? Okay, no, it's not. But this one. Wait, no, that's not my spot. Oh my god! Everyone just left in an instant. What the fuck was going on? I wasn't even looking. Everyone was just leaving. I was like, what? And then Whips joined back. Okay, this one, these two has to be one of my one of them has to be my terminus man. I feel like that one's gonna be it. Yep. Blowing out candle. Hey, that's not too hard. Thanks for riding British Airways. Did I say how great British Airways is? Such a good flight. Alright, then you can go. I love British Airways. It's too good. Fly them every time. Palmer. YouTuber paycheck 131. Well, I'm not American, so I'm going to say pounds. C upgrades remaining 24. Menu upgrades remaining 44. Destinations remaining 6. Service 5 out of 5. $322. I meant pounds. Incorrect passenger into yeah, not right. Safety 25 pounds. Flight safety review. 718 Skybox. 1832. YouTuber bonus. Seats were overhyped. Loved the legroom. Loved the menu options. Not happy the flight was on time though. £240. Let's take those. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and by the way, if your dog has gone missing, guys, it has nothing to do with me.